Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe.
For today's video, I will show you step by step of how to set up your monetization subscription on Facebook. First, go to this logo and hit monetization. Next, hit setup. Next, hit get started. First, enter your first name and your legal last name and date of birth and select country. Choose your country. I live in Philippines, so I choose it. Hit next. In business type, I chose individual. Hit next. Put your middle name. Next is your address, cell phone number, your tax number, and your active email address. Hit next. I hit back to edit my subscription price. I chose $99. You can choose how much you like. Hit next. Check all the box. These includes all subscription benefits. And you're all set. You're done. Congratulations! I will make another video to set up payout account. Thanks for watching.